Dear doctor, I bring all the greetings and best wishes from all the
Thank you, sir.
faculties of Speed and Speed Institute to you, to Dr. Suresh for getting a very good rank, topmost rank, extraordinary achievement in NEET
Thank you.
SS
Thank
2020 for MCH super specialty of neurosurgery of rank number 49.
Yes, 39, sir. Corrected.
49. I'm sorry. So I will
Thank
repeat
you.
it. I'm sorry. It's a complete diagnosis. I will repeat it. I
Yes,
bring
sir.
all the greetings, best wishes from all the Speed faculties and the entire Speed team to
Yes,
Dr.
sir.
Suresh for
Yes.
scoring an extraordinary and a wonderful rank of rank number 39 in NEET SS 2020 in a specialty of super specialty of neurosurgery, MCH neurosurgery.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
So it is really great to see you in a very happy mood because you would have had some sense of relief, though
Yes, sir.
surgeons are occupied with the continuous stress, and at times you get also some
Yes,
good
sir.
news for us. And this is one of
Yes.
very good news that you wanted to do neurosurgery, and then
Yes, sir.
there is an appropriate, correct positioning of rank also now for you to go into that specialty. Now,
Yes.
I also want to ask Dr. Suresh what
Yes.
how his journey is from medical days, from MBBS days to MS general surgery. Then what motivated him or what inspired him to look into a specialty of neurosurgery?
Okay, sir. First of all, sir, after my MBBS, I took pediatric surgery, 6-year course. But
Ah,
somehow, yes, sir. Uh, but somehow, unfortunately, I dropped it after 6 to 8 months because yes, I have interest in neurosurgery. I don't know why I chose that at that period. Maybe by some influence or some peers' suggestion, or I don't know. But after doing MBBS, once you get 6-year course, you just excited that we have uh, got a complete package. So I just chose from Indira
settlement.
Gandhi.
There is
Yes,
settlement.
yes. That settlement. So I got selected in DNB that time in Indira Gandhi Institute of Child Health, Bangalore. But
Okay.
somehow the circumstances also allowed me, and I just dropped that. Thereafter, I thought that I should go for MS first, MS General Surgery. Then I should choose neurosurgery because I
Okay.
think MS is equally important because your general surgical aspect is also uh, uh, must be seen after doing my MS general surgery from JLN Medical College, Ajmer. Uh, uh, in between, the advantage was that we have 2 month posting in my neurosurgery department,
Okay.
and we have no MCH residents, and we were the only resident of MCH at that time. I mean,
Okay.
doing MCH work as
General surgery.
I think yes. So at that time we were exposed for I think I have exposed around 15 to 20 craniotomies and 30 to 35 laminectomy and all that. So the interest developed from there, and it is strong more and more. So I chose neurosurgery as my niche specialty. Then I prepared for this neurosurgery, and in between I did my SRship. But unfortunately, due to this COVID, I I don't get so much time because we have hard duties and mental stress. But somehow I get some time because of the postponement of the NEET SS. So I think it was balanced. So, but definitely your speed videos. I joined that in September. I think just uh, decided to do NEET SS. I just I bought your NEET SS package, and I started looking your videos, and that was very helpful, really very helpful, because I think I read neurosurgery in my first MBBS. Then only in MS we only read for only 2 3 chapters like trauma and some tumors only. but the neuroanatomy, neurophysiology, and all that spine trauma, and spinal tumors and brain tumors, all these are we have to read in neurosurgery for NEET SS very deeply. So first of all, I watch all the videos because I want to familiar with the neurosurgery. What is it? Because first I bought a book, that Greenberg, and that started reading, and I look, what is this? I am of 5 to 10 pages, but I am not getting what is going on because I have read abdomen, I have read all the general surgery, and this is neurosurgery. And so I decided to watch videos. So it's really very helpful. But at that time, neurosurgery videos was not updated. It was updated in this year, only this year. I think in May or June. But was for me because I don't read Greenberg after that. Only videos and my question, bas only that. So that's really very helpful, and that's it. I think it was sufficient for me.
So, did you read any specialty books, specialty textbooks?
Yes, especially textbooks I refer for Greenberg because need in your videos, speed videos, I doubt the degenerative spine disease and new spine trauma. I think there is very less. I think so. I read, but somehow after NEET, I there was no need to go in deep in in spine trauma or degenerative disease because I don't think these questions arise from these parts so deeply. So because a video
So,
was
questions are not
sufficient.
from those areas.
Yes, I
So, so as the faculties, they have made a syllabus that what is important for exam. So
yes,
that
yes,
videos
yes.
only they have made probably.
But
Hmm?
but as a candidate, we fear actually. what
Definitely.
if what if the
Definitely.
question arise from that part? We can't answer.
Then it's a problem. So
There's
it
the
has to be
problem.
speeded. I take this
Yes, yes,
feedback, and the video will be watched by the faculties also. And
yes, yes.
definitely. And what did you do? What did you do
Uh,
for general surgery?
okay. For general surgery, actually, I read Bailey textbook, which I read already in my MS General Surgery. So I read Bailey and some topics from some topics from Sebastian like GI surgery and all. And I did I watched some videos, some vascular videos because I heard that speed vascular disease videos are very good, and other videos, GIT videos, I also watched. But I I think that general surgery part is sufficient for Bailey, and somehow your Bailey notes also came in the last time, and they were very very helpful because the revision is
Did you
very.
attend the daily class? Did
No,
you have time to attend the
no,
daily based class?
actually that time I was engaged in my COVID duties, so
Okay.
I didn't get.
So what's the
I tried
response?
actually, sir. I tried to attend your Chennai classes.
Okay.
I think that was in um, that was in
February.
September, October. No, no, no. Yes, yes, yes. In
In
Feb.
February.
Yes, yes, yes. But meanwhile, the lockdown started. I think just because I was in Delhi that time, and there was a curfew like condition in Delhi at that time, so I dropped. So this time natural things hurdled so many, but
So
somehow.
now next step, you would have shortlisted the institute where you want to join now. Now, what are the
Yeah.
options? Now, what are your preference now to join university?
Yes, I am, sir. I'm from Jaipur. Basically, my Jaipur is my hometown, and my first preference is SMS Medical College in Jaipur because I think I will get home conditions here, and I have already just so many years from my home, so I think it's good time to stay in SMS and do my neurosurgery.
I was in your place in Jaipur in 2017. There was an ASECON happening there, Association of Surgeons of India Conference.
Yes,
2017
definitely.
National Conference happened there. You
Yes,
know the
yes,
Birla
Birla
Auditorium?
Yes, Birla
You know
Auditorium.
Birla
I was
Auditorium?
there. I was also there, sir.
So, so I was there for the conference in Jaipur for that time. So
Yes,
it is a beautiful city.
yes,
And
sir. Definitely. SMS is also renowned
yeah,
institute.
it is a very renowned and a
Definitely.
reputed institution.
Yes, sir, definitely.
So all happening good, and I think you should definitely make a huge as your personality that I could see from here on this video, and this will definitely suit a career of a neurosurgery of a great stature. And
Thank you, sir.
I wish in years to come, as a Dr. Suresh, as a great neurosurgeon in the field of neurosurgery, you will mark my words today. You will make definitely a great career, and you will
Sir,
mark an impact in
sir,
the field of neurosurgery. And
thank you,
I
sir.
feel.
And sir, you are doing a great job. You know,
Oh,
really.
thank you. I'm enjoying completely. I'm enjoying what I'm doing, and because the only relaxation for me as a cardiothoracic surgeon is to take
Yes, sir.
class. I
Yes,
mean, I don't have anything else other than this, and
yes,
whatever the time I have, I take class for all the aspirants who wanted it,
yes,
and
yes,
I
sir.
thoroughly enjoy doing it. And this is my 20th year of
Yes,
teaching.
sir. I know, sir. I've read about you.
So I'm happy to talk to you today, and thanks for your time. I was a little late, 5 to 10 minutes, because of
No, sir. No problem.
time
No
off,
problem. Time is
and,
yours. No,
so that sorry for making you waiting, and
no, sir.
and definitely in future, whenever the time permits, we have an opportunity. We'll meet up sometime. Until then,
Definitely.
I wish you all the best and all the success throughout
Thank you,
your
sir.
career as a
Thank you.
neurosurgery, and definitely convey our wishes to all your family members and friends and to all of them. And
Thank you,
thank
sir.
you very
Thank
much.
you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.